In this lesson, we will see the method implementation to generic type structs. As you will remember from our last lesson, we created a multi-type generic struct. When we want to integrate functions into this struct, we need to add generic types that are different from normal integration. Now, let's define a function that returns the x value of the struct. Since the type of the value returned here is unknown, its reference is returned. Since Rust will behave differently depending on whether it is on a stack or heap, it safely redirects to returning its reference.